Do you need to get to the Walmart because you ate all your snack cakes and pizza rolls but you don't have a driver's license after the last time you got caught driving to the McDonald's for Big Macs without insurance because the high cost of insurance makes it too hard to pay for all the snack cakes and pizza rolls that you cannot stop from stuffing into your fat face? You need a tiny car that is being passed off as a mobility scooter. Just look at it. It is beautiful, is it not? You can fit a whole American fat person in here, which makes very good because how this beautiful tiny car scooter, snack transport, mobility car scooter comes from Canada. Oh, Canada, the land flowing with maple syrup and boiled sausage, turning Canadian dollars into more Canadian dollars by delivering a premium cost mobility scooter car, fat person pretending to be disabled. Get to the store for more snack cakes, device.
Geo! From Canada,
Mobility scooter for making ease of living off the government, causing hardworking Americans' insurance premiums to skyrocket. And speaking of insurance, you will be happy to know you do not require insurance to drive this beautiful tiny car, scooter, snack transport, mobility car, scooter comes from Canada. Here are its features: headlights, taillights, stereo, throttle brake, seat for sitting, enclosure to enclose, which holds in all of your snacks. It can be used by the overweight peoples pretending to be disabled or the normal size people pretending to be disabled. Here are its weight informations. This handy dandy scooter car mobility snack cruiser runaround is classified in a class of bicycle classification, so you can send your 8-year-old out on a trek down the boulevard to maximize much heavy return on sugar fatty snacks. Just make sure child has helmet on.
Geo! From Canada,
This Canadian mobility scooter car snack haul about can carry 500 pounds, so you can haul 100 pounds of snack cakes and pizza rolls. If you weigh 400 pounds, you can haul 200 pounds of yummy sugar, fatty babadi treats if you weigh 300 pounds. Just basically do the math and scooter down to the Walmart and load up on whatever makes your feelings make you not feel your feelings. You fatty scooter.